Hey budget gardeners, Vita Loca here. Join me today as we harvest the seeds from a canna lily. So let's go. What a beautiful pink canna lily. So clearly, these are still blooming. We don't want to harvest those. Here is an example of a bud that has just formed, but we don't want to harvest that yet. The one that we want to harvest and what we're looking for is right down here. And that's just a close-up of what the seed pod looks like. I don't know about you, but when I look at this seed pod, I feel like it looks like the head of a bird. I think that this is the beak, and there's the little slit with the eye. What do you think? Anyway, so to open the seed pod, what you want to do is very carefully just split it open like this. When you do that, the seeds are quite large. They should be a black color. All this right here, the small material, this is not the seed. This is just part of the seed pod or the shaft. These are the seeds. Now, if the seeds were any other color than black, let's say green or even like a dark red color, that means that the seeds are not ripe. They're not ready. So usually a good indicator that your seed pod is ready is when you see that little slit like I showed you on the bird where it looked like it was the eye. That's what you're looking for. And you can see that this one seed pod had a ton of seeds in it. And then before I store the seeds in this bag, which you can use a paper bag if you want. I like to use a small little Ziploc bag. But the big thing is you want to make sure that your seeds are dry. You don't want them to be wet at all. So I'll probably wait a number of days and then I will put the seeds inside this Ziploc bag. I do like to put the year on there as well as the variety, if you know the variety, which I don't. I just know the color, that it's pink. But I like to put the name of it, the color, and the year that the seed was collected. I'm looking forward to starting these seeds with you later in the winter. Together, I will show you how to go about getting these seeds ready for germination. It's a little bit of a process, but trust me when I say it will be well worth it. Also, I have a ton more videos that will be coming out on collecting more seeds from annuals as well as perennials. So be on the lookout for those. Until the next video, make it a great day with gardening.